Sandali, titiyan mo saya. Magbabalik, bakit ko lumusot? Thank you for watching. Hello. Honey, change that shirt. You wore it last night. Okay. Okay. I have a short. Tumboy. Okay. Okay, 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 okay. Thank you for watching, everyone. What's up? What's up? Thank you for watching. Sorry, don't leave me. Yeah. At sa bawat minuta, saan parating ang mga salita? Nangyayari sa amin. Ikaw na ang tahanan. Kasabi Do you mind giving me down? Thank you for watching. 3 million here now. God. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Who are you? Who was watching? Who you guys? I want to know you. Please tell me who you watch. Nabuang. Tell me why. Tell me please, please tell me no. Oh, just tell me. Ola. Thank you. Who's watching? Love, can't you say I'm alone? Can't you give this for a time? A little love. Mm. Honey, my love, so sweet. I love you. I love you to the total. Ah, thank you for the thumbs up. Can't you see the pain living in your eyes? And I know when how you tried. I don't wanna let you down. I don't wanna let you go. Forever. Cause you never hurts. But my heart is all scared. I just can't live a lie anymore. At sa bawat minuto. Who are you? Who's watching? Tell me. Yep, yep. Ang sarap mo. Cheryl, how about a Cheryl live wearing the bikini or no one will see you? Huh? Shower live? Huh? You know we have no shower. My God, we have no shower here. We're just putting a tabo like this. You know that. Tomorrow. Uh, you know what I mean. I don't know what you mean. I don't know what you mean. I don't know. Oh, can you explain it to me? I have no bikini. I don't have. I don't have bikini, you know. And just pants. Oh my god. You do. I do. Charap, parap, pap, na, ana. I'm hungry now. I'm hungry. I'm hungry, my love. I'm starving. I never mind. Never mind. Never mind. Say it. Go get the money and buy food. I so hungry. Wow. I love my everything. What other cheap people are on this channel with us? Leslie Brown, good morning, darling. I'm from England. Hi, from England, Leslie Brown. Welcome to my channel. Oh my God, England country is so beautiful. How I wish I would come there or visit there in your country. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thumbs up. Thank you. Thank you for joining my live, Leslie Brown from England. Please give her a like, tap your. Thank you. I really appreciate that someone joining from Europe, like England country, is so appreciated to join my live. You look absolutely gorgeous. Ah, thank you, Leslie Brown. What time is it in England now? What time is it in England now? I just buy a bread. I feel starving. Wait, wait. Son. Hi, sorry. I just buy bread. What time it is nearly 12 midnight. Oh wow. Okay. Hi guys. Thank you for joining. What happened? Thank you Leslie Brown for joining my live. Agab, ano na yada ako? Ano tikon pa na? Hindi ba tamo sa ano mo tapos ya di sa ako ya di sa taas. Apo. Nena, no na. No na, no na. Na. I think your mom is looking for you. I think. My mom is looking for me here. Yes. Oh, I buy bread. My breakfast. So you are married. I'm not married. Leslie Brown not yet married. And you, are you married? Leslie Brown. Yep. I'm not married. Thank you for thank you for joining my live. How you get bread to money? No money. You put it on account. You put it on account. I put it on account. No, I'm not married either. How old are you? I'm 40 years old. Mom, Leslie, I'm 40 years old. How about you? How old are you? Thank you for the thumbs up. Why not married? Why not married? Hello, myself. Hello, I'm Sally. Thank you for watching, guys. Good, I'm 66 years old, young. No, I'm not married. Okay, you're 66. But what it means? A nice age, Mom Leslie from England. Enjoy your enjoy your life. Good morning. Oh, who hired Riga? Oh my God, your videos, wow. My videos, wow. Like and subscribe, friends. Thank you, Rodrigo. My videos, wow. Thank you for watching, guys. Share my live. Hope you share my live. Tip tip like okay, see, thank you. Thank you, Rodrigo, for supporting me here always. Thank you so much. Honey, you still love me? Honey, you love me? Oh my god. You're not answering my question. You look absolutely gorgeous. Have you any child? I have one son. I have only one kid. He's 9 years old. Do you have a family, Mom Leslie? Do you have a family? A husband or a kids? Do you have kids? Where's your husband? You live with your husband? Oh my God. England is one of the beautiful country I want to visit. Hope I will visit there in your country, Mom Leslie. Your videos dance, Yahoo, yeah. He is a guy, sure. He is a guy. Ah, okay, sorry. Leslie Brown. Pap, pap, padap, pap. Thank you for joining my live stream. Toot, 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 ta, 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 ta. Oh, today, happy day. At last, no more worries. Oh, my love, my darling. Yeah, yeah, I have seven. You have seven child? You have a seven kids? Wow, that's great. I want five kids, but I think at the age of 40, it's difficult to give birth. I think I'm going to eat and invite you. Let's go! Let's go! Let's eat, guys. So, my breakfast. Let's get it up. Should have been danced with me. Ooh, 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 ooh. Should have been danced with me. Ooh, 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 ooh. Like and subscribe, friends, so I can please you to serve. I'll serve. 11 million here now. We're good, ano na? You, me. Lucky mug. See you later. You know what's the lucky mug? Because I can. I'm just kidding. kiss it always. Like, died. Tonight. Mm, yummy. Then, oh my god, playing, killing me softly with this song.
Sa YouTube ko man nag-live. Nanay,
Ah, wow. Thank you, my God. Ano na it sa badang ko tapos sa badang.
Bright.
Okay, thank you, my love, Gab. Thank you, my God. You
Ba't you
and
dapat?
I. And you and I. You and I. Die. You and I. Thank you for watching my. Do you like? I like. I love it. I like. I love it. You and I.
Baba ba?
Ooh-ha-ha. Ooh-ha-ha. I love it. Good. So do I. So do I. So do I want. You and I. So do I. So do I. So do. So do I. Oh my kulay. I love you. Wow. Wow. Really? A coffee? You like to? You like coffee? Is it? I love coffee. Yummy. I feel good. Yeah, I love everything. Okay. Delicious. So much delicious. Yummy. Ah. You and I. Gusto mo mag-intra sa Boy Scout? O tsotro ka na mag-intra? Ano yan ah? Sometimes I upper.
Meow.
Yeah, it definitely is yummy. I know what I'm talking about. Ah, okay, you know what you're talking about. Yeah, the coffee is so yummy. Delicious.
Pero kung ano meow,
Hmm?
medyo
Hmm?
ka-blacks. Sa basis balang naman ako ito. Parang ako ko.
I can't say too much. Ah, okay. Very delicious. Bye. Delicious. Yummy.
Hindi bayo. Kid street.
Definitely. Definitely. What? Definitely. Do you have grandchild? Mom Leslie Brown. Ah, Leslie Brown. Mm.
Ah, uy! Ba?
Yeah, I have five grandchildren. Wow, that's great. You and I. Mm, ha, ha, ha. Oh, so I feel full. I feel full na. Oh my God. Sarah.
Ah,
You and I.
aray ko. Ah,
You and I. What are you doing now? You can't say too much here. Can you XXX? Ah, okay. Ah, XX. Triple X. Ah, I don't like X.
yeah.
I hate X. X means wrong for me. X means free flag for me. X means bad for me. Yeah, that's why I can't read your XXX because for me it's for me only me. For me it's not good to say. Sorry, mom. I sorry, Leslie Brown.
My preferred
What is your job, Leslie
job,
Brown?
job.
Job. What is
So,
your work? Or maybe Bonjour, Marina 8415 Zizek. Zizek. Bonjour. Hi, thank you, Marina.
no, you
Pew.
do it.
Pute.
People,
What? Mars. Zizek. Oh, wow, Zizek. Leslie, keep it clean or you can find running in that kind of channel. I work as a delivery driver. Ah, okay, that's good.
bum.
Do you speak French? No, I can't speak French, but just a little, like greetings, like bonjour, salut, à bientôt, something like that. Bonne nuit, what is oui, ça va, something like that. Just a basic, just a basic greetings. But maybe better to speak English. I understand than French. To to each other. Oh, merci, merci Marina, merci beaucoup. Et toi, tu es Cheba. Et toi. You're so beautiful, Marina. I see your no, I see your picture just a little, but it looks so beautiful. Must say, must say. How old are you, Marina? You look so beautiful. Mom, what it means? Piot. What do you mean, Piot? I don't understand your language. Can you speak in English? Thank you. Hope it's not bad. Thank you for the 9 million here now. Ouch. Mm, mm, da, 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 da. You and I. Mm, Thank you for the 8 million here. Achoo, achoo, achoo. You and I. What time is it there? Here, time here is 8:21 in the morning. 8:21 in the morning here. She sayo na lang ako lang ako bahog. Thank you for joining here. Thank you so much. You and I. It's you and I. Cubiertas. Take my sip. You and I. Wow. Hi, I don't understand Arabic. Can you speak in English? Thank you. And I thank you. You and I. Mhm. You together. Mhm. Budong ko yan si Kimo Gab. Dito ho. Sige, unat man si Kimo. Talikod. Unat. Unat. Mr. Badger Bob. Hello from Canada. Hi, Mr. Badger Bob from Canada. Thank you for joining here. How are you? I'm fine. I'm fine. Thank you for joining. You and I doing great here. Thank you for joining here, Sir Master Badger Bob. Good morning, Cheryl. How are you? Hi. Good morning, guys. Thank you for joining. You are pretty lady. Thank you, Mr. Butcher Bob. Thank you, Bob. I will call you Bob. Thank you, Bob. Thank you for to those who give the thumbs up. Salamat. You and I. And are you a single lady or married? I'm not married, but I'm not single too. I'm taken, but I'm not yet married. Not now. Maybe in another life, I'll be a man. Okay, and you? Do you have a happy family? Do you have a kids, a beautiful husband, wife? Well, better tell him to hurry up and marry you, Lula. Why? Single man. Why is single? Why are you single, Bob? I wonder why. Single man. I haven't been waiting for. Oh my god. How old are you? I am. How old are you, Bob? Maybe I'm your auntie. Oh my god. Sana all.
May gulay ka.
Thanks, guys. Sana all. You know sana all means, guys. Oh no, I'm older than you, I'm sure. Oh, tell me, how old are you? If you're older than me, why is he single? How many exes do you have? You and I. You and I. Old enough to know better, but young enough to do it again. So tell me, how old are you, Bob? Don't, don't make me
Oh,
what? What is it? What do you call this? Say it. Oh my, not old. Oh my God. Why you say old? Old people cannot walk fast. Can't run fast. Can't run. Can't can't what? What? To me, at 48 years old, you can do a lot. You still can do a lot. That young, not old. Yeah, that's young. You're still young, Bob. So why? I wonder why you still single. Oh my God, where's your exes? I still work 12 hours a day in the old oil field. Ah, oil field. Okay, oil field. Bob, she is 40. I'm 40 years old. You and I. Just a young lady. Yeah, I feel young, but oh yes, it's fine. The age 40 is fine. Zutam, SM Rizal 5. Hello, thank you, SM Rizal. You and I. Wait until you get my age. How old are you guys? I forgot. Sorry. Mm, 64. Wow. Maybe you're just enjoying your life now at the age of 64. Are you enjoying just enjoying the years at 64, or do you still working? I'm retired. Okay, you're retired. Retired for teacher, police, navy, military. I was a carpenter. Okay. That's a great job, guys.
Kami.
You you work with Jesus. Huh? What? Forget it, Cheryl. Okay.
Gigi.
My kulay. You and I. Da, 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 da.
Uy. Yung pa ko yung picture.
Hey, hey, momats. Momatsi, hey, momats. Hey, hey, you. You and I. Hey, hey, hey.
Uy.
You and I. You and I. Oh my god! Oh my god! Thank you for joining here, guys. Thank you so much for the thumbs up, for the likes, for always visiting my channel, for always joining the live. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your effort to Thank you so much. You helped me a lot. Thank you for the support. I love you all. Okay. Thank you so much. But I need to end the live in 4 minutes. Thank you so much, guys, for always joining me here. You and I. Oh my god! What should I do? What should I say? How can I do? How can I say it to be alive? No, 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 no. Juanera, Juan. Hi, thank you. 3 minutes more.
Uy, 200.
Say goodbye. Bye. Thank you so much. Bye bye. God bless you all. Have a good day. Good night to you. Bye.